And here we go, the highly debated air down shot. Some people hate it. Personally, I love it. It's that time when you get to see your friends after working all week and see what mods they've done or just minor changes they've made. You get to razz each other a little bit. You get that little sense that we used to have of that childlike excitement. What's going to happen? What are we going to do? Where are we going to end up? It all comes together at that moment. I'm Walter, along with Joanne, and we're going to go find some of our moments.
Sheesh. Oh yeah, yeah. We're turning around.
You go that way. Right?
That's fair. Okay, we can't do it. Can't do it. Puddle is way too deep. It's covering the bypass even. We can't. We got to turn around.
You can't go?
Can't go through. It is so deep, so high, the bypass is covered.
That deep?
It's deep. We just checked the rock in.
Is that the water
Yeah.
from the lake?
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
It's like,
So no one's camping there, obviously.
I wouldn't think so.
Even flowing. I mean,
We
Really?
threw a rock in and it just dropped.
I want to see it.
You want to see it? It's like crazy. The bypass, you can't even see it.
$54 to get a water view.
That was nuts to see that, though.
I'm so close to the road.
Oh my god.
Look at it. Isn't that insane?
They need a snorkel.
Yeah, no, you can't do that.
No. Like, check the bypasses. You can drive
So
through
normally this is like this, all the way through.
all the way through.
And then there's a big puddle here. And you can take, that's a little bypass over there. So you can go in behind those trees. Man, I've never seen it like this, ever. So beyond this is a whole sandy beach, with
Yeah?
a huge peninsula that we were going to take you guys to because you can go through a little river crossing. That's
Today.
not
For
today.
today. Next up.
That's fucked.
So if we weren't here, would you guys attempt that?
No, even Bobby said no way.
We love going off road, but we don't shit kick our
No.
Let's go check it out. See if there's any space.
See if we can base bounce.
Yeah, this place is pretty busy. Yeah, it's going pretty good, eh?
Hey guys, I know we promised remote hot springs, and trust me, where we are, they are there. But there's also people sitting in those hot springs, and I'm not willing to put them on video for obvious reasons. So this is a spot we chose for lunch, and we hope you enjoy the rest of the video.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed today's adventure. We tried a couple new things, took some new people along. My friend Amanda, she's did amazing in her stock 4Runner. Good job, high five. We had Bobby with us again in his new Jeep Gladiator, and we brought Brian. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please, please, please hit that subscribe button, send us a comment, like, and until next time, we hope you get out there, enjoy life, and find your moments. Peace.